I don't think this is on, Uncle Al. You should get more modern stuff. I've been saying this all the time. More modern equipment, Uncle Al. You can't use your brain all the time. It's only half there. Yeah, I kind of noticed that. Did you know Uncle Al only has half a brain? Yes, I did. How about you two guys say goodbye? Bye, Dino. Bye, Ernie. Bye, Ernie. Okay, enough about the comedic side of me. All right, kids. Today we are going to talk about a piece of forgotten survival equipment or prepping equipment that most people forget. And this goes out to Corsair trainers and GM Survival. That's Gavin's channel. And Happy Prepper. I forgot your name. Sorry, Happy Prepper. Uncle Alan's getting old and a little tired. Gotta make this quick. Now, Will has a special Sunday one meet together, so stop in just in time prepping with Real Russell every Wednesday and Saturday. And then Monday we have a discussion. I'll do another video. I'm doing fast videos today, kids. So Uncle Alan's a little bit tired because I got to do 3 videos at one time. And normally I wait a day or two to watch my older videos. Never reach 100 for some weird reason, unless I'm chewing out somebody. And don't forget, this is for Corsair trainers and GM Survival and Happy Prepper. Okay, a lot of them was wondering what kind of survival gear that I'm missing that Uncle Alan can make 50 things out of it. And we have it right here. Did you see that? That's a drum liner. 55-gallon contractor's drum liner. Can you see that, kids? Make sure you always... Oops, drop something. I'll get that later. Uncle Alan's getting too old. Always have this wrapped inside the drum liner. It's a really heavy garbage bags. I don't like the light ones because they're totally useless. They're all right for other things, and they're a lot smaller. This holds 55 gallons. All right? And then you put in the twist ties in here. I always have 2. And you want to wrap this all up. You just can't see it. I'm doing this fast. You wrap it up. Doesn't take up too much space. Doesn't take up too much weight. And you put a rubber band around it. Easy as pie, kids. This is the most forgotten piece of survival gear, survival kit, survival prepping, you name it. 80% of you forgets this. Okay? It's one of my E.D.Cs. If I have room in my bolt bag, I will carry one of these. Now, a lot of people are asking, especially Gavin and Happy Prepper, what are the 50 things I can make out of it? Really fast. Body bag, trash bag, carry-all, backpack, tourniquet. Let's see, I can't read it, my handwriting. Ice pack, wash basin. Let's see, raincoat, shelter, kayak, canoe. You have to have a lot of these bags if you're trying to do a kayak or canoe or cornicle, which is a round boat. You can make 3 different kinds of boats out of that, but you need more trash bags. Pot holder. Let's see, carrying food. Protecting you from the sun as shelter. Protecting you from the elements like rain. Collecting food. Something put food in there. Carry your clothes. A lot of homeless people use these. Carry their belongings. That froze up again. Carry their belongings really fast. Because I've been looking at my italics or something like that. I don't know. I'm tired. Let's see, what else? Tying up a food bag. Hanging a flashlight. Making a tent out of it. Pillow cover. Pillowcase. I could go on and on. This list is about 50. So what do you think you can make? Okay, 50 things, kids. And that was for Corsair trainers and GM Survival and Happy Prepper. Now, please make a VR. Check out their channels. They're nice young men. Corsair, I mean, um, GM Survival and Happy Camper. Go check their channels out. And you know Steve from Corsair Trainers, because I'm getting tired and I can't repeat myself over and over again on certain basic things. It's been a year and a half, folks, and you haven't watched my videos. I don't know what the hell you've been doing. Playing Rambo, maybe Batman, running around in spandex. Okay, kids, I'll catch you later. Bye.